Dear students, today I am going to discuss contact forces and non-contact forces in physics. In contact forces, physical contact is very much necessary, it is mandatory, and so you find the ball rolling on the ground. There is frictional forces and there is physical contact. So this is the contact force, an example of contact force. Similarly, a metal bomb which is tied to a thread and the thread is suspended to a rigid body and a bow is hung, then you find there is tension force. The tension force applied towards the earth is equals to the force applied upward on the thread. So they both are in opposite directions and equal in magnitude. So the thread doesn't break up. So it is also an example of contact force. Similarly, you find an object kept on the table, there is normal reaction force, and it is also an example of contact force. Here also, the force exerted towards the earth is equals to the force which is acting upwards in opposite direction. So both are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. So the object it is in stationary position is in resting position. Now, second is non-contact force. There is no physical contact. As you see, electrostatic force. As when dry hair is rubbed with a comb, then we find the hairs are disheveled, hairs are displaced. There is electrostatic force. This is an example of non-contact force. Similarly, magnetic force. A magnet, when attracts iron chips, then it is non-contact force. Example. Similarly, you find the the ball which is falling from the roof, it is a non-contact force, that is gravitational force. So these are the examples of non-contact forces. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.